Well, gents, let us get to your stock picks for today. Mark, where are you seeing opportunity?
Yes, so tonight I'm picking Afrimat. It's a company that that we like. We really like the management team. The share price did very well last year, got up to 71 Rand a share, and then with the consolidation of their latest acquisition, which was Lafarge, you could see the earnings or the losses being consolidated there. The earnings were a little bit disappointing, and the share price has come all the way back to 42 Rand a share. And I think going forward, you're going to start to see Lafarge, the turnaround story in their cement business. I think that the earnings will start to come through, so you'll see earnings growth. They've got their iron ore mining business, which the iron ore price has been quite well supported at around between $90 to $100 a ton. Plus, you've seen coal prices return a bit, and they've got an anthracite mine, which their product is quite tied to coal prices, which also had some operational issues, but I think will be better going forward. Yeah, and I think that steadily the earnings will increase, and I think it potentially gets back to 7 Rand a share over the next 3 years. If you put that on an 11 PE, which I don't think is demanding, that's a decent return from 42 Rand. So that's my pick tonight.
All right. Well, Grant, what are you hoping to get returns from today?
So I'm playing a little bit safe. I'm leaning into quality. I'm a little bit concerned about the frothy environment, not in SA necessarily, but globally. There's a lot of this, meme stock mania, dash for trash, some of the absolute rubbish that's doubling and tripling, and it does ring alarm bells. And so I think, I'm looking at something like Outsurance, which to me is a high quality business. It's a fair price. It's not a dripping rose, but you can definitely hold on to the stock. They've got a great runway for growth in Australia. They're still very much a challenger there, but they've got a good track record. They're growing well in that market. They know what they're about. SA, they remain a very strong player. And then, of course, they've got the Irish growth avenue, which they're deploying capital into. And so that's going to start contributing to returns in the next 2 or 3 years. So you've got a very good business, a very good management team. You can understand where the returns are going to come from, and you can see the organic growth path that they've got. So that's the kind of company I like in this environment, and that's my pick, Outsurance.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your time and for your analysis today, gents. Really appreciate it. That is all for tonight's Stock Watch. Thanks to our guests, Grant Nader from Benguela Global Fund Managers and Mark du Toit from Oyster Catcher Investments. Up next, The Close. Stay watching.